Maybe within.
I haven't seen a test pass on this thing.
For real? Well, this ain't a test pass. This is a real race.
So that charge will do it. It's 8 amp.
Ray got it.
Oh, my bad, Russ. I just ran into you at the end.
That's all right. Dude, badass. That's all I can say.
That's all over.
Left lane, turn 0, turn 8 at 81 miles an hour. Right lane, turn 3 at 85.
What I run?
Dude,
My brother.
awesome.
Appreciate
Awesome.
you. You know it. You know.
You are the king.
Just quick, but it just slides too much. I know.
This is round 2 of temp scale.
I'll say right up. Beams are messed up.
I went against Russ
Beams are messed up.
for
Get out of the beams.
round 1.
Out of the beams.
Good to go.
All set.
Damn. What he don't believe in? Wee, wee, wee. That's a run. That's a race, huh?
That's a race. I ain't even hit it.
Give it
All set, ready to go.
This is round 3 of the temp scale class. Still the first round. Got Benji versus Ryan. And it's best 2 out of 3. Wow.
Barely did.
Wow. Benji left lane. All right, 1 and 1. Benji took it on the flip. He broke the beam on the flip.
All set, ready to go.
Whoa, Benji still trying to make it down there.
Still made it through. Right lane. All set, ready to go.
That's not going to be any fun. You got me, you got me.
I tried.
Left lane, 2041 at 78 miles an hour. Right lane, 2126 at 75.6.
Should have been the last race. Yo. Get it again.
Nice one, brother.
Get it again. I like that thing. Thanks. Some better service, man. It's okay. Get all right.
He not in the bin.
She makes. I like the black one.
Hi y'all, it's the last race of the temp scale. Me and my boy with the stretch bandit.
That's it.
Mira, loco, si yo...
Espera, con el dedo pegado. Bueno, bro.
That little pink car got some top end.
What I run, Benji?
108.
Iban a las galletas.
108.
For real?
Puede ser.
I'm 108 in the big end. Nice run, bro. The money is me, right? For me, the money. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all.
Where's my cut?
All right, SC class. Let's get that. Let's scream it on the mic. Get all SCs on my bad.
Street Eliminator, let's go. Street Eliminator.
Let's get everybody up here to sign in. Thing. Let's see all the chips and then go from there. Yeah, you could. There's pens right here, and so you sign your name on that body. It's dedicated to all the racers that come to the race. All right, y'all. We signing up. Yep, 20. Crashed everything. Yeah. We signing up for the SC class. If you ain't get a raffle, we got the raffle going to us. We're gonna call it right before we start this.
I'm gonna move this a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks to my man, he always comes out. All right, this is the first round of the SC class. This is round 1, chip 1. These are the ones of the first rounds. It's another rug over here if y'all didn't want to share. First round, SC class, chip 1. Hold up. You want to give him that? You want to give a? You want to start over, or you want?
Yeah, we can run it back.
All right. So it's a start over. He wasn't plugged in. Yeah. Let me know if y'all need some more rug. I got y'all. All right. Line it out for the whole event. Watch that light. You got that thing going pretty good, man.
Still playing with gearing a little bit.
Do it
Is that
again.
what it is?
Yes, best 2 out of 3. If you didn't know that, it's the best 2 out of 3. Everybody else knows. Oh no, it's best 2 out of 3. Yeah. I did that because people travel so far and they get one and done, they be ready to cry. So I just let them rock out. My wife says I baby though. Yes, it sure is. And it's more fun. He got that white car nice and good. He just got the wrong person to go against. That was it. All right, this is round 2. These are chip 2 draws. Oh, look at the baby. This boy here came out too. Charlie turned up. Oh, left Charlie. I know you ain't got no break. Man, Shorty pulling in here.
Right lane, 2-5 at 56.
What?
Left lane, 2-5 at 58.
I thought left lane had it. That was a good race.
$400 pot, right?
Yo, you. Me too.
$400 pot, right?
Huh? 420.
I'm buying in if I do that.
Yo, Benji! Oh, beautiful. Hell of a pass, Benji. That's a way to come back now.
Please all set, ready to go.
Damn, Benji.
That's how I'm gonna have to roll out.
Damn, Benji. Okay.
You told him what I need.
Yes, sir. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. it didn't. Nobody broke the beam. Nobody broke the beam. He went over.
He went through it. He went through his lane.
He went through it, but he went over the beam. He didn't break the beam. He got to break. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look, look. It's giving it to you. Bro, it just gave it to the left lane. I'm showing y'all right here. That's why you got to pay attention. Exactly. He got to break the beam. You can't be in the air and racing. You got to be on the ground.
He broke the beam?
Nobody broke the beam. Nobody. He said either way. Just get through your beam.
Hey, he's not in. He's not in, dude.
Now he in. He deep stage. Right lane was deep stage.
Trees all set and
Oh, I
ready to
gotta
go.
tell him what you need, right? Sorry about that, man. Benji, he needs a tune on his car. His shit is straight stock. Right there, you got you. Hold on, it ain't gonna wreck. He ain't nobody cross seat. It won't give it to nobody. Come, if he break that beam on the right side, it'll give it to him. Left lane.
Left lane, 245.
I got 10 on the right.
Trees all set, ready to go.
Come on, Dad.
Everybody better like. I'm going with the left there. What's up? I got 20 on the left.
Hey, call my father.
Yeah, I already know. Oh, back out. Gotta make sure both people stay. If he red light, then it's a different story. If you deep stage, you good. Go up. You're good. That's deep stage. You're good. You're good. That's deep stage. Red lighted him.
Get over there. Yeah, baby. Give me that.
No. He red lighted.
You red light? Oh, damn.
Don't red light you, man.
This race for all the beans?
No. That race go back over.
Let's get that red lane. Ooh. No.
Left lane. Left lane. Great race.
The 10 on the orange car.
Trees all set and ready to go.
I got right lane. I got 5 on the right lane.
Them boys betting 10 out there.
I got 5 on the right lane. I got 5.
Jeff, why you ain't let off and just go through the beam?
Hey, you're supposed to slow it down a little bit.
He didn't even cross the beam yet.
Nobody crossed. I got 30 on the left lane. I got 30 on the left lane. Hey, anything could happen. I know, that's what I'm saying. I got 30 on the left lane. Busy, you better. Come on, dog. Go! He got you, Drizzy?
Nah,
Oh, yeah.
That's nice driving though, little man. Real driving. That's real driving.
I like you. The way you do. Yeah, when you go right.
Left lane, 30 at 36 mile an hour. Right lane, 33 at 30.
So you was sandbagging the whole time you was testing, huh? I turned down. I see him way out there. I gotta play catch up.
Trees all set, ready to go.
What? He's on the wheels the whole way down. Nice run, little man. Nice run. It was nice
Left
racing
lane,
you,
2-3
man.
at 55. Right lane, 2-8 at 52.
That's not a big. Most of these cars out here. You got $5 on the right lane? Damn. I tuned that car over there, man. But I was gonna bet with this side. Cause Anybody else? I got 5 in the left lane. I got 5 on the left lane. I got 5 on the right lane, my man. I got 5 on my man. What's up? Who else wants some? You got this one? Anybody? I got 5 on this one. Anybody? But a dead body. All right. Hey, burn them things out on the ground, bro. Burn them out on the ground. Get up in that beam. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Woo! That boy's standing up.
Right lane 2-6 at 64 mile an hour. Left lane 2-5 at 53.
Good racing, fellas. Good racing. Yo! Yo! That was a race!
I gotta get this one. That was badass. My heart racing badass.
Nah, I put too much down.
Tell him, hey, who tuned that car right there? Who tuned that motherfucker?
Man, speaking behind that motherfucking camera, stop playing. Stop playing. Who won that?
Left lane.
Either beams, please.
Back up. Hit. Listen for the sound.
All set.
Next is buyback, right?
Buy back. Go back into the next round. That's it.
Yeah, that's another 20. Ooh.
Put your hand in the air. Mash your
Left
brake.
lane 2-5 at 56 miles an hour. Right lane 2.
Better stand in that shit. There's real racing out here.
I lay my head into it.
Nice. And that was a nice run, bro. Yeah, you know what time it is.
Left lane 2-8 at 48 mile an hour. Right.
Let's do this.
Turn.
Break.
Hey, you said we could buy back in there?
Yeah. First round.
I'm gonna go back in.
Yeah. Money's right there. You got Hey, that only race is supposed to sign now. You don't race.
Don't call me no more. 20 on the left lane. 20 on the left lane.
I told you turned up. I knew it. Good, bro. How you doing?
Left lane 2-3 at 58 miles an hour. Right lane 2-6 at 51.
Oh, I almost walked you down. Left lane.
Left lane.